We want securities, we want functioning CCTV, we want police persons, we want licensed gun until the people mind changes that the doctors also a fellow human being. We request the top so-called superheroes to stop their idiotic action in their movie, which bring changes in the mind of the people, which is the major reason for all this nonsense which is prevailing in the society. How can you will catch a knife with pain in mind? Will you do that work? If somebody is having a knife in his hand, and will you take a interview them? The same thing which is also applicable for a doctor who treats with the life of the patient, which can be lost in during the treatment. So we all doctors are in the huge pain, and that is evident by this agitation. And nothing is planned, agitation. We want securities, we want functioning CCTV, we want police persons, we want licensed gun until the people mind changes that the doctors also a fellow human being. We request the top so-called superheroes to stop their idiotic action in their movie, which bring changes in the mind of the people, which is the major reason for all this nonsense which is prevailing in the society. The only person behind or against a doctor in a government service is a bureaucracy. Even the politicians will accept our demand. The bureaucracy will never accept the demand. See, the population has increased from 4 crores to 8 crores in the last 10-15 years. But the doctor population for treating the poor patient has increased from 18,000 to 23,000. Do you think at least from 18,000 to 30,000 or 35,000 there should be increase? We request every time. The last 2 years, 3 years back, not 3 years, 4 years back, almost 1,600 government doctor posts has been reduced by the lovable bureaucracy. The only people or only persons against the government doctors, that is also affecting the government of Tamil Nadu, which is also affecting the government people or our own blood in this society, is a bureaucracy which prevents the needed doctor population ratio in the government service, but they love to increase the doctor population in the private to diffuse the profession, thereby to destroy the profession, but they don't have any interest to give a good service for the poor people by increasing the doctor. If 100 patient comes which should be treated by a single doctor, he is a human, he will be irritated, no? Then how come the patient will be happy? So bureaucracy affecting the doctors stress goes to the patient, and sometimes this kind of accusing action or this kind of assault happens to the doctor.
You cannot be frisking everybody who's coming into the hospital.
People tightening security now.
We'll discuss with the CM. Our Honorable Minister is having a discussion with all the Doctors Association at around 3 o'clock.